All right, and welcome back for another beer experience. I'm Kevin with CrafTeeBeer, and by beer experience, I mean I'm going to enjoy a beer, share the experience with you over the internet, which kind of makes this like beer porn. So, what do we have for today's beer experience? We've got an American IPA. Today's IPA is from Belching Beaver in San Diego, California. It's the Phantom Bride IPA, which is a collaboration with the Deftones, an alternative metal band that was formed in 1988. Phantom Bride is a reference to the song from their 2016 album, Brewer. Jerry Cantrell was featured on that song, and he's the founder of Alice in Chains, another band. So this Phantom Bride is a 7.1% ABV India Pale Ale. It's a California style IPA, which means it's heavy with Amarillo and Simcoe hops. So it should be the fruity grapefruit type style of IPA. I don't think I've had anything from Belching Beaver before, so this will be my first. The collaboration they did with the Deftones, I think they had one since then, which was called Digital Bath. So I'm not sure what a band working with a brewery brings to the table, but maybe, if nothing else, an interesting name, a story behind the label. So this label is black, gold, purple. Obviously, is has the Deftones and the song name on it. Other than that, it's fairly simple. So let's go see what the Phantom Bride has to offer, shall we? So I can smell the citrus aroma already from just pouring it. Small white head, very hazy. Looks like an IPA. The nose is very grapefruit. So people say citrusy, lemon, mango, whatever. This one is grapefruit, no doubt about it. A little bit of a dank grapefruit nose to it. It's got an interesting aroma. So not the bright citrus, but a odd, dank grapefruit, almost. I'm not going to say almost like grapefruit that's gone bad, but odd. All right, let's see what the Phantom Bride has. It follows the nose. It's grapefruit, but a little off grapefruit. What do I mean by off? I'm not sure. Like a grapefruit that might have sat on the counter too long, not in a terrible way, but not the bright, usual grapefruit juice kind of flavor. Maybe it's grapefruit with a hint of orange juice, but this is all citrus. All citrus. So up front, it's as I described. It's that citrus, which is grapefruit, maybe a hint of lemon, and that follows through the middle, the back end, and then it kind of drops off, and that's it. There's not a lot to this. It's not very complex. So if you were thinking dank grapefruit juice. This is the one. It's good. I'm enjoying it. The beer experience is fine. So there's lots of IPAs. Lots of them taste the same. Some are hoppy. Some are citrus hoppy. Some are bright citrus. This is dank grapefruit. Not overpowering. It's there. It's steady, and then it drops off. I like it. All right. Let's rate it on Untapped. Phantom Bride IPA, Belching Beaver Brewery. So the flavor is, as I described, it's that dank grapefruit flavor, which is fairly simple and steady, which I think works in its favor for me. I think if that's an experience that's different than a lot of IPAs. Not every experience has to be complex and robust or in your face. So I really liked it for that. I'm going to go with a 4 rating on Untapped. And we have a can. I'm going with smooth, tropical, light. So I went with a 4. It's got a 3.98 based on 21,000 reviews. Phantom Bride IPA from Belching Beaver. If you want a dank grapefruit flavored IPA, this is the one for you. If you've had it, leave me a comment. If you've had something similar, leave me a comment. Go out and find it if you can. Until the next time, cheers.